Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, and it's drone time again folks. Let's get these glasses on. I'm just down by the Metropole, heading down, and let's have a little look if we can fire this beast up.
Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, and welcome to the channel folks.
So, morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, heading down at the front of the Metropole on drone mode. If I get this way you might be able to see a little bit of this calm sea, because it's like a duck pond today. So I'm heading down. I'm going to go to the right of this first shelter. It's just catching me up. Coming to the left. Now, hopefully that camera will be able to not just see me, but it should be able to see the tower, the cenotaph, the North Pier. So I'm just going to have a look at the date and time. It's 8:39. I can't quite see the date. I think it's Monday. And it's very bright, very sunny, and very, very calm. Let's try again and see if we can get you to see this sea. If it'll follow me this way. I've got the phone now. Hello. Right, so hopefully you can see that tower and the North Pier ahead. I've just had to waste a few minutes because Dawn had some problems with the electronic doors at home. So we're coming down now. That's following me down here. We've got seagulls chirping. We're going mad. There should be a tram over to the left, you might see. And I'm trying to get to this comedy carpet. And I'm trying to do a big circle, which is what I tried to do in Liverpool the other day. But it was set too far and wide. And it crashed. So we'll see if it'll keep up at 8 miles an hour. So as I said, it's a beautiful, beautiful, sunny, crisp morning here in Blackpool. This is part of my 24 hours ago. I'm just coming down now past the wedding chapel. And I'm hoping that battery is going to last to do the little move that I want to do down here. The beach house is not open yet. As I said, it is Monday morning. Got 3 people to the right I'll try and avoid. I've done a risk assessment. I've checked drone assist. There's no drone issues anywhere this side of the Central Pier. It's got 3 people ahead. I'll move over to the left. I'm going to get to the middle of the comedy carpet to try and do this shot that I'm trying to do. So I've got the tower now dead ahead of me. So by moving away from that, I'm not sure if I can do what I want to do with these three girls stood here. Right, they are now moving off the carpet, and there's some runners coming now. So I'm checking all around me.
Droney. Circle.
So we're on circle and we're going to go for it. I'm just checking again everywhere. There is nobody.
20 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So it's a 20-meter circle. I'm hoping it doesn't hit that fence. Wow folks, that is amazing. I said I tried this in Liverpool and I cocked it up. It's going low and it shouldn't. It's going to hit something if we're not careful. Whoa, just about. My God, folks, that's mental. Well, folks, that was quite mental. Quite mental. I just hope it works out. I'm just trying to find the cover for the drone. Got a kiddie here that really would have got if it should have come over here. So we're here on the comedy carpet and we'll do that nice climb up the tower for you. And that's looking lovely this morning, but I can't see because of that bright sunlight to my right. Down at the south, southeast. Bring it right back and leave it there, and I'm gonna head off on my little mooch. This cop's getting worse. I've left Dawn in bed, but she was coming out into town somewhere. She just rung me because she set one of the alarms off on the door. Thank you. I'm going to try and get this tower shot for you again from here this morning. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, oh, you did that yesterday? Yeah, I know. Because this is what people want. They want the sights. Hi, ma'am. The sights and sounds of Blackpool. We just got a peep. There's somebody giving me a wave. And you might see the same things today, but in a different perspective, sort of, ish. So this is Victoria Street. Victoria Street quite quiet this morning. And as we come here, we've got this nice boots that fades into that tower shot. Lovely. So we'll have a quick scoot down to Cracky Corner and see if there's anybody out on the tap yet. Looks like we've got one just preparing to set up shop here on the tap. What's showtime? Not open yet. Hi, ma'am. I'm just heading down to Mackie D's. I'm going to get myself a bit of something from here. So I normally try and do one shot, but we're not able to do that this morning because I need my food. And I'm eating a Mackie D this morning, Mackie D breakfast. I'm having double sausage and egg McMuffin meal. So this is Mackie D's now. It's been done up, which is very small, very cramped, very cramped. So we'll ignore these people, give you a bit of the kitchen while we're here. So here we go. I'm going to leave it there and order my brekkie. Church Street, folks. Just coming up to 10 o'clock. I've just met up with Dawn and our friend Steve in Costa. I'm heading up now to the social services building. Got a job to do. Well, the homeless girl that claimed she lost her shoes, well, woman not girl, was just asking Bobby to use the phone. Hopefully she's going to try and find her partner that she's lost, and hopefully she won't ring a drug dealer, or else, hey girls, or else Bobby will get loads and loads of phone calls. So I'm going up to Bickerstaff House. I think this is the first time I've been here this morning. Winter Gardens, all locked up, closed up. St John's Church just coming up to 10 o'clock. The fountains are not going. If we look down Abingdon, ooh, them poor fountains. So I'm coming up through here now into Cedar Square. This is one of my early morning 10 AM videos called 24 hours ago, I think. And when I'm making these, I can't actually put the title on it when I'm encoding it, because the program I use to make the videos won't allow slashes and commas and things in it, so I'll just have to upload it as its basic name as output and then change its name. So we've got File Law here on the corner. As we're coming round, we've got the Churchill's pub to the left. As we're coming onto, I think it's Abingdon Street, I can't remember. No, it's not. What is it called? I haven't a clue. Topping Street, that's where we are. Topping Street. There's some cafes open this morning. Iceland will be open on the corner. There's plenty of movement going on in my hallway at home. I might have to stop and have a look in a minute. I'm just getting alert after alert. Dixieland chicken, that used to be nice. So as we're coming around now, got a nice beautiful big car there, I don't know what it is. V8 diesel, a Bentley, folks. A lovely black Bentley. So this new social security building is nearly finished. We've nearly done the groundwork on the outside even. There's some trees and bushes. Lots and lots and lots. I think there's thousands of people going to be going in there, I think. So they say. It's got a little nice seating area out the front here for them to come and have a lunch. And where's this curb? Get up this little curb ramp. So this is Blackpool Council's flagship building, Bickerstaff House. And the post office is in there. We've got Marco's across the way at the Holiday Inn. Do a nice breakfast review there soon. Now we are planning this weekend for Bobby and me to go to Manchester and stay overnight. So I don't think we'll get 8 videos or 6 videos like we did in Liverpool, because it's a different type of town. Liverpool's got tourist areas and shopping areas, whereas Manchester's got shopping areas and antisocial behaviour areas. So I'm just heading, we've got the Railside Brew House here, Sainsbury's in the distance with the mandatory fake homeless junkie sat there. So I'm just here now at Bickerstaff House, Blackpool Council, and that was the social services folks, just for a little ongoing job that I've got to do. And as we come over here now, let's just flick him. We've got the Holiday Inn and Marco's that I mentioned just before I went in. Mark Kelly's down there. I'm just going to cross on this road, taking it nice and slow, and got the train station in the distance where we was the other day. The wind is howling down here now, so I don't know how bad that will be. I'm heading back to the studio, but I'm heading the back way. I'm not going down Dixon for a change. Now I have to come off the curb here to get on the road, because I can't get off the curb further down here, I don't think. So here's the side of the station, and as we look ahead, I'm on High Street now. I'm not sure if it's High Street round there or not. I need to get across here on the edge of Springfield Road. I've managed to get my indicator on. So this little bit is Springfield, and I think this is the rest of High Street. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it is. So there's the Station Cafe. Nice bit of wall art there. I think it's professional. I don't think it's real graffiti. So this is High Street. Just let this car pass. This little van. So this High Street splits into 2 here, and I'm going to veer off to the right on Banks Street. So we're coming up to the back of the station now. So there's little sights and sounds, and it looks like there's no trains in. Oh, that's weird. That sun's probably blinding you a bit. As we come round to Exchange Street. So we're heading down here to Edgerton Road. I think it's Edgerton Square down here, I'm not sure. There's that little Exchange Street garage, number 19, been there for years. William Lyons House, I think, I've said a few times, I think that used to be a tea merchant's years ago, and I think that was to do with Lyons Tea, I'm not sure. He always says that, and it's not right, you know. I don't know, I can't remember. So we just got a waft of curry there. Coming up to, I think this is Egerton Square, and this used to be a big old pub where I used to go to spiritualist meetings years ago. The Empress Hotel, and I think it actually is some sort of hotel or hostel now. Mr. Chips over the road. Claremont Eatery next door, I don't know if that opens. And a couple of convenience shops. A new Egerton Cafe there looks a bit weird. Pet Arcade. The Card Room. The Tuck-In Cafe. And that's Ashburton Road. So I'm on Egerton now, which takes us past the back of the doctor's where I went this morning to get a form. So this was probably the most notorious street in Blackpool for drug sales. It's cleaned its act up quite a bit now. There's actually quite a few nice properties owned by people and not just rented, but there are still a lot of lettings. It's got Morrison's on the corner. That's Cheltenham Road, I think. Quite a few places to let along here. And quite a bit of work being done. Everything seems to be Tiger Estates. Tiger sold. Chesterfield Road off to the right. Martin & Co for sale. Good luck with that. And not sure what that one is. Can't read it. Clevedon Road. Yeah, Clevedon. So back to Egerton, we've got St Paul's Worship Centre, St Paul's Church and Kids Planet Nursery. As we get to the back of St Paul's Medical Centre, and we're just on this corner where there was a murder last year in one of these houses directly in front of me. A man was shot and somebody tried to cut his head off with a spade, I think. So all this area was closed for quite a long time. I can't remember the name of this street. Not sure if it's St Paul's or not. No, there's no sign. So we're coming down now, heading towards the back of the Gin. Yeah, St Paul's Road is to the right, so I'm still not sure of the name of this one. But it's just a little mooch around some of the places that I don't film every day. Sorry it's not got too much tourist things in it, but that's the way it is. I'm trying to do a video at 4 o'clock that shows Bobby and me. This one was Boothroydon. And as we cross Whalley Road, we've got the Co-op and the sea up there, and that way down to Devonshire Road. This is Ormond Avenue, which comes down with Dixon Road parallel to the left. Leckhampton there, Redcar Road just over there. So we come down this hill. That wind's still blowing a gale on me. And I'm almost at the studio. So I'm going to film a little bit of this park. Got a waft of weed blowing up this street. Quite strong. So as we get to here, got the Savoy Hotel in the distance. We've got a mandatory tram shop for you there, just pulling in at the gate. The Savoy. And the park here at the back of the gate. So for now, let's try and get out of this sun. Get in this alley and get the park behind me. So for now, it's Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media. Keep safe, everybody. Catch you all later. So stay safe, everybody. Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media.